If a client has a side effect from GLP-1 that is getting in the way of their normal life, that's affecting their sleep, affecting their ability to work or take care of their family, that is a great indicator that they should talk with their doctor. If it is a more relatively modest side effect where they're not experiencing anything super significant or bad, certainly they should talk with their doctor if it's a concern to them. But your job as a coach should be to make sure that if they have a concern, they talk to the right person for it. When you have a client using a GLP-1 medication and they're going to speak with their doctor, their physician, you should encourage them to ask about things like blood work and the results that they're seeing in terms of their overall health. Not just how they feel day to day, not just how they look when they see themselves in the mirror, but what are the actual health impacts that they're seeing inside of their body. Many clients don't know that those are very relevant questions for a doctor, and it's okay for you to tell them, you should ask your doctor about this. When you are starting a GLP-1, you sometimes get some information from your doctor or the pharmacy, but often you're getting information from online and it's very conflicting. And because you as a coach are a trusted member of the team, they will often ask you about questions like, when should I increase my dose? Or other types of medical situations. Which medication should I use? Your role as a coach is not to tell someone what their dosing should be, what medication they should use. Your role as a coach is to find out what it is that they're using and doing and incorporate movement and exercise into that. Questions about dosing, medical questions should go to their doctor, and you can encourage them to have those conversations.